Hello students. Students, today we are going to start EVS chapter number 5 and the name of our chapter is Animal Kingdom. Okay, we will discuss about Animals Kingdom. Okay, in this chapter we will also learn about types of animals. Okay, what are the types of animals? Okay, there are main three types of animals, and secondly movement in animals. Okay, how animals can move. Okay, how they can move. Eating habits of animals. Okay, what are the eating habits of animals? Okay, what they eat, how do animals eat. Okay, and how they can eat a food. Okay, and how animals can eat. Different tales of animals. Okay, and we discuss about the use of tails in different animals. Okay, and at last we discuss extinct animals. Okay, though extinct meaning those animals who does not exist on earth now. Okay, who does not exist on earth. Okay, extinct meaning they totally disappeared from the earth now. Okay, now we are going to start. We can see animals almost everywhere. Where we can see animals? We can see animals almost everywhere, on every place. Okay, they live on land, in water, underground and in air. Okay, they live on a land also, they can live in water also like fish. Okay, and they can live in air also. Okay, like birds. Okay, animals are of different shapes and sizes. Okay, that all animals have a different shape and different size. Okay, some animals are of big size and some are of a small size. Okay, and some are heavier and some are lighter. Okay, some animals are big, some are small, and some others are very small. There are main three types of animals. First, that big animals, and second, that small animals, and the third one, very small animals. And the example of very small animal is a bacteria. Okay, bacteria is a very small that we can see with the help of a microscope. Okay, now first, very big animals. Okay, giraffes and elephants are very big animals. Okay, giraffes and elephants are a very big animals. Okay, they are very big. Okay, the largest living bird, the largest living bird is the ostrich. Okay, ostrich is the largest living bird. Okay, from all the birds, ostrich is the largest bird. The African elephant is the largest land animal. Okay, which elephant? African elephant. Okay, is the largest land animal. Okay, it is the largest animal which live on land. Okay, this is a African elephant. The blue whale is the largest animal in the sea. Okay, the blue whale is the largest animal in the sea. Okay, which blue whale is a one type of fish. Okay, it is the largest animal in the sea. Okay, that blue whale is the largest animal in the sea. Okay, in the water. And ostrich is the largest animal in the air. Okay, it is a bird. And African elephant is the largest animal on the land. Okay, it is the largest animal on the land. Okay, now the next, big animals. Some animals are big. Okay, some animals are big in size and shape. Okay, tigers, zebras, cows, buffaloes, and hippopotamus are some examples of big animals. Okay, these there are given, these are all are big animals because they have a big size. Okay, big size and shape. Okay, cow is a big animal and hippopotamus is a big animal. Okay, tiger is also a big animal. These all are examples of tigers, zebras and cows. They are all are big animals. Small animals. Okay, small animals, they are small as compared to big. Okay, they are small in size. Okay, they are small as compared to cow, hippopotamus and these all. Okay, small animals like ants, rats, cats, squirrels and rabbits are small animals. Okay, these animals are small in size. Okay, cat is a small animal, dog is a small animal. Okay, rat is a small animal. We discuss that categories on the basis of their size. Okay, they, if they are big, then they are big animals. If they are small in size, they are small animals. And the next is very small animal. Okay, very small, then they very small in size. Some animals like bacteria are very small. Okay, a bacteria is a very small animal. Okay, we can see them only through a microscope. Okay, we can see bacteria with the help of a microscope. Okay, when we use a microscope, then bacteria is visible, otherwise it is invisible. Okay, it cannot be visible with the naked eye. Okay, we can see them with the help of a microscope. Okay, bacteria visible visible with the help of a microscope. Now habitats of animals. Okay, habitats meaning homes of animals. Okay, habitats meaning homes of animals. Different types of animals have different types of habitats. Okay, different animals live in a different homes. Okay, different animals live in a different homes meaning habitats. For example, penguins and polar bears live in cold regions. Okay, that penguin and polar bears where live, they live on a cold places. Okay, so cold places is a habitat of these animals. Next, other like camels and chameleon live in hot deserts. Okay, camel and chameleon where live, they live on hot places. So hot places are the habitats of camel and chameleons. Okay, these places become their homes. Okay, these places are the homes of these animals, because where we live, this is our home. Okay, so because they live on that hot deserts, so that hot desert is a place of chameleon. Okay, where they live, that is their home. Frogs, crocodiles, turtles live both in water and on land. They are called amphibians. Okay, that is so important. What are amphibians? Those animals who live on land also and live in water also, they are called amphibians. Okay, those animals who live in water also as well as on land. Okay, they are called amphibians. Okay, they live on both these two places, on water, in water and on land. Animals like fish live only in water. Fish where live? Fish live only in water. Okay, if they are removed from their homes, they will die. Okay, if we remove a fish from the water, then it will die. If we remove a fish from their house, then it will die. Okay, now the next is that camel habitat is hot deserts. Okay, camel live in Rajasthan, that is a hot area. Okay, so camel habitat is a hot place. Crocodile, it is a amphibian. Okay, it live in water also and on land also. So crocodile have two habitats, like water also and land also is a habitat of crocodile. Fish habitat is water. Okay, because fish only live in water. Then are the land animals. Okay, from the name clear, animals which live on land are called land animals. Okay, those animals who live on a land, they are called land animals. They have special body features, and due to that they are adapted to live on land. Okay, these animals have a special body features, so they are suitable to live on land. Okay, these animals have a special body features. Okay, special body functions, so they are suitable to live on land. Okay, they move on land with the help of limbs. Okay, how they can move? They can move on land with the help of limbs meaning body parts. Okay, these animals move on land with the help of their body parts. Animals like lions, elephants, foxes, tigers and zebras are wild animals. They live in forests. Okay, these animals are wild animals. Okay, those animals who live in a forest, they are called wild animals. Okay, wild animals where live? Wild animals live in a forest. Okay, so the examples of wild animals are lions, elephants, foxes, tigers and zebras, because they live in a forest. They take care of themselves. How they can take care? They can take care with the help of they can take care of themselves. They can take care by self. Okay, like our parents take care our, okay, our children take care by parents. That way these animals take care by self. Okay, now the lion is a wild animal, because lion live in a forest. Elephant is also a wild animal, it also live in a forest. and that bear, zebra, these also live in a forest. These all are wild animals. Some animals stay in your houses and in farms. Okay, some animals where live, they live in our houses and in farms. They are called domestic animals. Okay, those animals who live in our house and live in farms, they are called domestic animals. Okay, animals like cows, hens, pigs, goats, horses and sheep are kept in farms. Okay, they are kept in farms, so they are domestic animals. Okay, domestic animals give us a food products like they give a milk, they give us honey, they give us eggs. Okay, they provide some foods. Okay, provide food to us. Okay, so they are called domestic animals. We also keep some animals like dogs and cats as pets. Okay, we also keep some animals at our home like dog and cat. These are called pets. Okay, so dog and cat is a pet because we they keep at our home as a pet. Okay, dog and cat is a pet. Okay, now the next is cow. Cow is a domestic animal. And pig, that is also a domestic animal. Goat, sheep, these are domestic animals, but their dog is a pet. Okay, those animals who kept at home as a hobby, these are called pets. Okay, dogs and cats, these are pets. Now the next, some land animals like snakes and rats live in holes. Okay, snakes and rats where live, they live in a hole. Okay, they make a hole in earth and there they live. Rabbits live in burrows. Okay, rabbits where live? Rabbits home is burrows. Okay, animals such as monkeys, birds and some insects live on trees. Okay, animals like monkeys, birds, some insects live on trees also. Okay, monkey live on a tree, birds also live on a tree because they make a nest on tree, and some insects also live on trees. Okay, so trees are the habitat of these animals. Okay, now next chapter we start in next video. Now thank you.